Hello. Have you ever made a long form video, like a webinar or some kind of teaching, and wondered if it could become a whole course? This is exactly what I helped a client do the other day. Uh, Gorgeous Bridget Abgustakis of Bridget's Astrology had created a beautiful 30-minute long video talking about the houses in astrology, and we turned it into a structured, sellable online course. In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes to show you exactly how we did it. To do this, we used a tool that I've been really enjoying called Video to Page, and I'm not an affiliate. I actually bought this when it was for sale on AppSumo, so I have a lifetime license. However, it is pretty affordable. Let's have a little look at it now. So I'm going to screen share, and what I really love about Video to Page is that it actually transcribes my videos and then I can turn it into different kinds of content. So for instance, this one from the other day, it does quite a few things actually. So I had a video, I can upload it to YouTube and then I can just use the YouTube URL or I can upload a video straight in here and then I transcribe it and then I can also create content from it. So it just takes a couple of clicks. I can generate new content. I can choose different styles of content. And for Bridget's, we chose a tutorial or a course, which made it really quick to turn this long video that we decided intentionally to do it this way because I know that she can really talk about astrology. She knows so much about it, and I have actually done this with her videos before on a personal level where I've had a session with her and I've brought them in here, and I know that once I transcribe it, I can extract a lot of great stuff out of it. So, yeah, it will create this blog post that, you get to choose the tone. And the other thing I really love is this export process where I can export it to my WordPress website and in one click, like it takes the whole blog, plops it on my website and it's published. And what I like to do is go back in and tweak the formatting a little bit. But I've been loving Video to Page. I wish I could be an affiliate because I just think it's so incredible. So actually here is Bridget's original video that we did. So we just click new upload, and then this is where you can either put your YouTube URL or you can upload a file in. Oh, that just paused my share. Sorry about that. So the first thing we did was to bring her video into Video to Page, and then we transcribed it. And then I just chose that tutorial slash course option once it had been transcribed. And then I was able to copy and paste that out over into her course platform. So now Bridget uses WP courseware on a WordPress website, which I've taught people in the past. I also use this method. I really love it. And the other fun thing that we've been doing is Bridget and I have been doing co-working sessions where we'll both be working and then in our breaks, like every 20, 25 minutes, we have a little break. Sometimes we just get up and walk, and sometimes I will actually help her progress the project because it's one of the things we've identified is that it really helps Bridget. She wants to do a lot of it herself, and I always have other work that I can do while we're co-working. And then she can just have me pop in short increments, which makes it really affordable for her to get my help. I just time how long it takes me while I'm supporting her, and then I just go back to my own co-working. So once we had it over in the WP courseware site, then Bridget also ran some of the transcripts in through ChatGPT to create journal prompts, and then she designed those in Canva, and we uploaded them as an asset. At the same time, I taught Bridget how to use iMovie to edit her 30-minute long video into 7 different segments. We had the intro, and then Bridget bundled the first and 7 house, the second and 8th, and so on when it came to the astrology. So she ended up having 6 modules for the houses and the 1 intro module. And she also uploaded all of those to YouTube, which she already knew how to do. So she popped them onto YouTube Unlisted, and then pretty much we got her course up in just a matter of hours working together, which was so fun. Um, I'm just looking at my notes to see what else we did. Yep, we've covered all that. That's pretty much it. So if you have a teaching video, a masterclass, a webinar, or just a Zoom call that you've recorded that you know is really great value, you potentially already have a course there. If this is sparking ideas for you, just comment. Let me know what you're thinking. You might like to work along with me on a work day like I did with Bridget, or you might just be inspired to check out Video to Page. I think it's 12 euros a month, which is about 20 something dollars a month. And really, it's just going to speed up the course creation process so much. There is a little bit of editing I have to pop back in and do just to make sure it's sounding like me. But we found this a really fun process, really quick, and we were just blown away by how amazing it was. I'm also going to link to Bridget in the description because she's actually my astrologer and I love working with her. She's so amazing. And yeah, if you're interested, you can book a free chat with me. We can talk about your project. Or you can just book Natasha on tap and we can hang out and go for it. So let me know in the comments if you would like a hand with this or reach out to me via email. I really look forward to hearing about your course and I hope you have a beautiful day. Mhm.